Hi and welcome to Triple C Trailer Sales in Waterville Lake, Michigan. Today we are going to be walking through a 2022 4-star 2+1 trailer. Now 4-star trailers are all aluminum. This trailer is 7'6" tall and it has a 22.5-foot box. The dressing room is a standard 4 foot. It is fully carpeted and we have added an extra saddle rack. The front box stall in this trailer is the standard 90 inches in length. The rear ramp and side ramp both have easy lift that is now standard in all 2+1 trailers. The stud doors here in front, they are also standard. This trailer has a warm floor that stands for We Eliminate Rubber Mats, so it's a permanent poured floor. There is no mats to pull in this trailer. Now in the head area, we have added 6 inches in length, so it is now a 42-inch head area. Standard is also a drop-down door and a drop-down bar on both sides for the horse's head. This trailer also has a hydraulic jack, and that is an option on all 4-star trailers. And so these are just some of the options we've done on this particular trailer. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at Triple C at 269-463-6121. And as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.